right, special thanks to ASOFTY who sent us their motion sensor light. This is a 6 LED motion sensor spotlight. Kind of see an example of what it looks like there. Just some ways you may want to use this: doorway, garden, garage, fences, and the easy to use setup. It looks like it even has a remote control, and its power source is 4D batteries that are not included. So I gotta remember that one when you're placing your order. It is IP65 waterproof, and it's just 8 watts of power. Nothing on the bottom, and the top is just the company logo. So the box was a little crushed when it came here, but let's open it up and see what we have. Oh wow. That's it for the box. So it comes with a full instruction guide for you. That's nice. The screws and anchors you would need to mount it. And yes, a remote control branded with the on-off buttons. And so here's the actual spotlight itself. So you can see that's where these screws go. And it looks like you can loosen this, and once it's loose enough, you can adjust the angle. Now you can see there is a motion sensor right here, and this is these 6 bright LEDs. And it looks like just to get down into it, you turn the top, and yes, then you're able to access the location where these 4D batteries go in place. Once you get the 4D batteries in place, you just pop this back over the top, and then you're able to just put this down back in here. And you do have a little arrow right there that you can line up with unlock and twist to lock to make it weatherproof. So there we go. That'll do it for this motion sensor LED spotlight unboxing. All feels like really good, great quality. Just make sure you buy your 4D batteries and you should be ready to go. Again, thanks to these folks for sending us this motion sensor spotlight, and thanks to you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.